So hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel after a long time. So I hope everyone is fine. So the computer science examination is coming, CBSE computer science examination. So that's why I have started my channel again for for the for your examination purpose. So here we can discuss complete discussion for the annual examination 2026 class 12 subject computer science. So those students have taken computer science class 12, for them this class is very important. So we'll go one by one, what are the important concept, how you are going to appear the examination, the all the things I am going to cover in this videos. Okay, so let's start. So for the CBSE class 12 computer science, your subject code is 083. The board exam paper is based on mainly 3 units, having computational thinking and programming 2, that is based on your Python, it is 40 marks, computer networks 10 marks, and database management system, your using SQL and MySQL 20 marks. So these are the things you can uh, prepare for the examination. Okay, so mainly you have to be focused on the first programming part. Okay, different programming concept. So here they have introduced the Python programming language. What is Python programming language? How, what are the different concepts are there? What are the main concept we are going to focus on? That are the things we are going to discuss now. So let's see. So the first thing is basics of the Python. Okay, so what do you mean by the basics of the Python? If we can talk about basics of Python, what are the things should be there? You can see here. You are having the keywords, you are having identifiers, you are having literals, you are having operators and punctuators. These are the basics of Python. We can call it tokens of Python. Okay, the other name of token is called lexical unit. The other name of token is called lexical unit. Sometimes this question also come in the MCQ question. The other name of the token is called lexical unit. Remember it. So whenever means you can get the varieties of questions from this basics of Python, like different keywords you are using. It is a kind of reserve word like break, continue, class, static, your then like false, true, okay, if. So these are some keywords we are going to use in the entire programming language, and every keyword having some specific purpose, okay, that you know that. So before going to appear the examination, you just go through properly the list of keywords, mainly the conditional statement keywords, looping keywords, class, break and continue, true, false. Okay, these are the main keywords, you can focus on it. Then come to identifiers. So what do you mean by identifiers? Identifiers are the name given to different parts of the program. Okay, identifier is the name given to different parts of the program, like the class, like function, like object, variables. So whenever we are giving the name of a variable, of a object, of a class, we can refer to the identifier rules. So what are the identifier rules? The identifier rules are is telling that it should be started with the character, and although you can start with underscore, all although it contain numbers, but the number cannot be the first character. Okay, number cannot be in the first, it should be from the second onwards. Then the next one, keyword cannot be used as the identifier. Keyword cannot be used as the identifier. Then it can be unlimited length. No other special character should be used except underscore. Only the underscore one special character should be used, and there should not be any kind of space between the variable name, object name, of class name. Okay, you can use underscore between them, but you cannot use any kind of space. So this is what identifiers. They can ask you the question from this MCQ question, like valid identifier and invalid identifier, choose from this. Okay, then literals, the fixed data type, data values is called literals. We are having number literals, we are having string literals, we are having boolean literals, we are having special literals. Number literal mainly contain the numeric values, string literal mainly contain the string type values, Boolean literal contain the true false values, and special literal is the absence of value that is known, N-O-N-E. N is capital. Okay, remember that. So remember, Python is case sensitive language. So there is, if you write any capital letter and small letter is different. Okay, their ASCII value is different. ASCII, the full form is that American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So while going through this, you can having also the different encoding scheme. You can know it before this. Then we are having some operators. So what is the use of operator? Just operator trigger the program to the next level, trigger the program to the next level. So we are having many operator like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator, arithmetic assignment operator, assignment operator. These are the different operators. So arithmetic operator is used for performing the arithmetic uh, operations. Logical operator used for logical operation, and relational operator using for going for comparison the values, compare the values. Membership operator is going to check the presence and absence of the values, and identity operator is going to check the address of a particular variable. This is the different operator we are having. Then punctuator, we can structurize the program by using some symbols like at the rate, hex, comma, colon, okay, double quoted, single quoted. So like this, there are so many symbols are there to structurize the program. This is called what basics of Python. Okay, I hope you understood. So carefully go through this all the topics before going to the examination. Next slide. So the bare bones of a Python program. These are the bare bones of a Python program. Very, very important. Statements, expression, indentation, function, block. So it is repeated. Indentation is repeated. Okay, so just I'm going back here and just make some editing here. So you can take this one like what we have missed, comment line. Okay, so in the program we are having statement, we are having expression, we are having comment line, function, block, and indentation. So how we know which one is statement, which one is expression, which one is comment line, which one is function, block, and indentation? The thing is that statement are the instruction given to the particular program. Statement are the instruction given to the particular program. So every instruction in the program is a kind of statement. Expression, it is the containing some variable, literal, and symbols, and it will be find out coming to the single output. Okay, finally it is when we are solving any kind of expression, we are getting the output, single output finally. So it is in the form of we can call symbols, literals, and operators. Okay, then comment line are here in the program that is for only user understanding. User can understand that what the program is telling. Okay, but it is interpreter will going to ignore. So they can ask the question that which part of the program, okay, we can interpreter can ignore. So it is the comment line, the answer is comment line. Then function. So function is the, we can call it is having a name, and it is a set of actions. We are performing set of action, it is called what function is. Then come to the block. We can, whenever we are writing any kind of grouping statement followed by a colon, grouping statement followed by a colon, it's called block. Then indentation, the structurizing the particular program, structurizing the particular program in a proper way. That means in proper the space management, proper structurization is called indentation. So whenever we are writing any kind of block, then the next line should start by taking the 4 line of space in this. So this is what indentation is. Okay, so like this is the bare bones. So you can carefully go what is the statement, what are the different kind of statement are there, like empty statement, simple statement, and compound statement. Okay, then statement flow control. Statement can be flowed sequentially, can be flowed conditionally, can be flowed iteratively. Okay, so then expression, we are having the different kind of expression like arithmetic expression, logical expression, relational expression. So those value is there like this, the expression should be like this. Then function. We are having the function part in one chapter is there, how to define a function, what are the different types of function are there, like the def keyword is used to define a function. Okay, and we can pass the parameter through this, and whenever we are going to call the function, we are having the argument. Okay, so what is parameter, what is argument? The value that is mm, defined in the function header is called parameter. The value which is passed through function called is called argument. Remember it, very important. Then the different types of function, like predefined function, then function defined in the module, user defined function. So some function given by Python program directly, some function given by some block of module, like math module or statistics module or random module, and some function we can create by ourselves is called user defined function. Then come to the block. So block part will be giving the grouping of statement followed by the colon, and it is following the indentation. So these are all about what bare bones of a Python program. Then we can have a like conditional statement, and we are having the looping statement. So whenever we are talking about conditional statement, we are having if else, then if elif, then nested if else. So why we are using conditional statement? Conditional statement is used to give some, put some condition on a particular statement. That's why we are going to use. So whenever we require, we put some condition there in a particular statement, then we can go for if or if else and if elif and nested if. Okay, then looping part, something, suppose we are going to repeat some multiple times, then we can go for looping. So we are having two loop, for loop and while loop. So for loop is the counting loop and while loop is using for the conditional loop. So the rest of the things, okay, with proper question answer session is coming very soon. So just watch my channel, okay, continuously for the examination purpose. If you are having any doubt on particular video, you can just comment me in my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.